Good evening, all. Today we will learn how to schedule posts in LinkedIn. So, you might be knowing that LinkedIn has the option such that you can schedule all your posts in LinkedIn for up to 90 days. And that way, you can invest your little time and schedule courses for next 90 days so that every day you don't have to worry about what you would like to post. You can create your social media calendar, and based on that you can schedule all your posts in LinkedIn. So I will show you. Already I had some of the courses or some of the posts scheduled inside LinkedIn. So first I will check that what is scheduled and what I am going to schedule again. So for that, so this is start a post option. From this you can click on this clock. This is for scheduling later. You see, once you keep your mouse button on top of that, it is showing us schedule for later. So once you click on that, you see here date is coming as well as time is coming. So from this you can start your post by scheduling at a later date. And as I already had some of the courses scheduled, so I will see those first. So view all scheduled posts. So today is 10th January. You see that 11th January morning 8 a.m. I have a course already scheduled, and at 2 p.m. again one course scheduled on the same date 11th January. On 12th also 8 a.m. 2 p.m. 13 8 a.m. 2 p.m. So this way usually I publish two posts every day, one at morning 8 a.m. and one at in the afternoon at 2 p.m. Now uh, we are going to conduct one new free course on related to quality or project management related that I need to schedule. Let's assume I want to schedule it on 12th because the course will be conducted in 18th. So this is the course that 5S methodology and its application in shop floor or any workplace. This is scheduled on 18th January. So I want to promote it twice before this course happens so that I get maximum number of enrollments. Right now it is you see it is 5 already enrolled. So I want to make it I want to promote in LinkedIn twice so that at least some more enrollment comes. So for that what I will do, I will be going here and I will be promoting it on 12th January, and you see I had 2 p.m. I have already added till 17th. So 18th is not added. So I will change one at 18th and one at 20th is not added. So already that 12th, this is already added here. So I will change it, modify schedule to 18th 2 p.m. So one course I am rescheduling at a later stage and one more. So schedule, view all schedule post. Now on Monday it should be blank at 2 p.m. You see Sunday, Monday, now it is 8 a.m. is there, then 13th. So 2 p.m. is blank. Now I want to promote it again on 17th because our schedule is on 18th. So 16th, 17th is Saturday. Okay, will promote on 16th. So I will change it 16th to modify schedule to 20th 2 p.m. next. So now I will change that. Now as I told, I will be scheduling two. One is on coming Monday. So the post, this is the image that I am going to put. So Control V that image, and the description I also make it ready. Copy. I want to paste it here. Date, time is not mentioned. So let's put the time. Time 8:30 p.m. IST, and it's free. I'm making this as caps. And this image, if you want, you can take help of your our editors who can make it very nicely. But for the time being, as I don't have much time, I'm putting the same image and adding it here. Now I will go here and I want to change the date to 12th and time at 2 p.m. So I will select at 2 p.m. because every 2 p.m. I usually post courses. So now this is done. Schedule. And again I am scheduling on 16th, I believe. Let's say see once. So view all scheduled posts. 11th done, 12th already done, 13th, 14th, 15th 2 p.m. is there, 16th 2 p.m. is not there. So I will put this course again on 16th. So for that, what I will do, I will put the image first, copy, Control V, and then this copy, paste, and time I have to modify, time 8:30 p.m. IST, and the date I have to change as 16th 2 p.m. So I will put 200 p.m. Next, now it is scheduled. So this way you can arrange everyday posts in a single time and then schedule it for later, and you can view all your scheduled posts here. I will give one more example. So for example, you see up to 20th my posts are scheduled. 19th 2 p.m., 20th 2 p.m. is not there. Okay, January 20th 2 p.m. Uh, yes, and January 21 2 p.m. is not there. So 22 is already there. So on to January 21 2 p.m. I want to put one more course. So for that, let's assume these are the list of the courses I have kept. Let's assume I want to put this piping material course in that location. So what I will do, I can go to here, copy and put it here, Control V, paste. So this is the course, and I want to create the brief outline. So image will be from here, piping material engineering, and this is the title of the course. So copy, so online pre-recorded course on piping material engineering from an experienced mentor. Then I want to put what is covered here. So show more, key topics covered, copy, Control V, delete, 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 delete. This is ready. Now to enroll, visit. This is the link, Control X, Control V. So this course I want to put on 21st. So I will go to the LinkedIn again because 21st 2 p.m. is not there. So I go here. Let me put this image first. Now copy. So paste, go here, 21st, 200 2 p.m. Next, schedule. So this way you can schedule all your posts whatever you want, but it is a better option that if you are working, let's say assume you are working on civil domain, so you can schedule in such a way that one day course, one day technical content, one day some new invention in civil engineering, one day some uh, other skill development related to civil engineering softwares. So this way you can arrange or make a variation so that uh, users get attracted to your content, whatever you are putting or whatever you are generating. And in general, what I do at 8 a.m., I usually share knowledge which related to different topics related to piping engineering, oil and gas engineering, and related thing. And at 2 p.m. every day, I share a course from every inch. So that is the reason I put two posts every day. For you also you can do similar way that maybe at 9 a.m. in the morning you are putting some interesting content so that people gets attracted to your content and your follower can increase. And in the same time, in the evening or in the afternoon time, you can promote one of the course from a range so that sale also can happen. And roughly you see here that post impression, this is weekly. So every week at least 1 lakh impressions from your posts it's you should target. Sometimes it will be more than that because I have seen post impression in a week when more of the people are interested, then during that time it can increase up to 6 lakhs. However, at a minimum you should target that 1 lakh post impression happens from your posts, and this way if this you can make slowly your number of followers will also increase. And you can take help of our team members for creating nice lucrative videos, also nice lucrative PDFs, nice lucrative images so that people gets attracted to your content and your follower number increases. So that's all for this course. Hope you understood how to schedule or how to create your social media calendar specifically by an example of LinkedIn. I have tried to explain. That's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me directly.